Hello everybody and welcome to the aircraft hangar. Today I'll be teaching you how to fold an amazing paper plane, dark Anvil. It has air intakes and a rounded edge at the bottom with a cockpit. And please enjoy the video. You begin with a square sheet of paper. It's not really thick or thin, just normal printing paper cut into a square. A4 8.5 by 11 inch will do, and you fold the plane in half. And then this side too. Squash for this edge point. Okay, you fold this edge here. You unfold that and fold it, yeah. Okay, and you fold this edge in. Same thing here. And it should look like this. Then you unfold these two edges, fold this in, and then this too. You can squash fold it. Pull this edge to the center. Then you petal fold this from this point to this edge, and fold this edge in. Fold this down. So that's just a petal fold, okay? Then you unfold this. Then you fold this edge in once more. So basically that was to make these creases here. And you just fold this here, like that. Okay, now you fold this point down to this, make a pinch crease, fold this here, make a pinch crease, and anchor this to this. Just land it. Oh, actually, it's just literally landing it on this point here. Crease it hard. Then you fold this here again and fold out from this little point here. Should look like this. And you fold this edge out to the outer edge, then fold from this point here to this. Okay, sorry about the background noise, my brother's just playing. Fold this here and fold this down, so it should be like this. I do the same thing on the other side. Fold this here, and then you fold this to this edge here. Then you can sink this edge by just popping it in, just like the F-35, and then this. Okay, so this is when your creases over here come in use. You wanna fold in like this on the creases. Okay, and then it's like this, and you fold it here. And you just readjust it to this edge. And now you can fold this out so that this point hits this edge. Then you fold this down to this point. Fold this up. Same thing on this side. And then you unfold all of these. Fold this up. And then you fold this here, fold this here, fold this here, and reverse this last crease. And it should look just like this. Now you just fold this open and fold it right in, and collapse it back in. Same thing on this side. You fold on this edge, fold this down, fold up, then fold down once more. Then you open this edge up and fold it in. And it should look like this. Flip it over, squash fold this edge, bend it right at this point. And same thing on this side. Okay, you can flip it around. Fold it and leave a gap here, and just squash it ahead, forward. This thing, you pull it from like this, fold it here, and then squash it any way you want. And you can tuck this edge in underneath just a little bit. Doesn't matter on how you do it, just the other side has to be the same. Oh yeah, at this edge you just fold it into that point. And it should, yeah, look like that. Okay. Just fold this corner from this point here to this point, this edge here, and it should just peek out a little bit, but that's okay. Same thing here. Okay, now I fold this point to this edge. Same thing here. Flip it over and fold this edge to this point here. And same thing over here. Then you can inside reverse fold this. And same thing on the other side, of course. Then you petal fold this from this point to this and land this edge on this point here. And since this edge is smaller, you can fold it to this. Don't know what kind of fighting game my brother is playing, but he's having lots of fun, so don't worry about him. Like this. So you squash it to this edge here, and you take advantage on this size of this pocket so that you don't have to sing full or spread squash. And you fold this to the intersections here. And fold this edge to this, yes, to land here. Pull out the thread paper. And same thing on the other side. And then you can squash fold it. So you fold this to the side. And squash fold it. And when you squash fold it, you flip this over and make sure both corners touch the center. Okay, you fold this huge layer. Fold this to the center. And inside reverse fold it in. You can fold it down and if you cocked it. Okay. And now you can perform jet fold. You fold this down at this crease you have. Jet fold it. Okay, you fold this here, this same thing here, and fold the wings, the winglets, tail fin, sorry, up, and you tuck this into this, and with it like this, and fold this in along with this edge right in there. Okay, now you shape the afterburner, pull this edge out, inside reverse fold by reversing those creases. Okay, and then fold this here, fold this here, okay, same thing on this side. Now I forgot that. There you go, there is a finished dark anvil, and hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.